Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a great way to use red onion plus other ingredients for that strength. Yeah, it's actually better and good for a man, and it's also good for you as a woman because it keeps you fit and it keeps you energetic. Okay, so if you want to know all the ingredients that I've added into this my red onion, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share. And now let me walk you through into this video. So if you're a man, you will be needing red onion. Okay, now I'm gonna be telling you the reason why we will be needing red onion. Okay, now onion is actually a very good ingredient that helps to grow the hair and it helps to increase your strength. So most men do not actually take onion, but this is one great way that you are going to be brushing onion. You're going to be going after onion. You're going to be taking onion because you do need that strength. Yeah, so this is my red onion, and there's two ways in which you can actually do this. Okay, so one of the ways is this. Yeah, you're gonna grab your onion and then you dress it by removing all of the peel. And then you wash it. You have to cut it. Now after you cut it, then you grab a blender and then you put it into a blender. Now it has to be a red onion, guys, so you don't use any onion that is not red. Okay guys, so because I didn't put in water, because onion does not have too much of juice, so I'm actually going to be putting a clean water into this, and then okay guys, so we're done blending the onion and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so what you do is that you can either turn it into a cup or you can sieving it out. So I recommend you don't sieve it out. Yeah, but if you cannot take the old shaft and all of that stuff, you can sieve it out. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is going to be very important for this, is honey. Okay, so we're going to be putting honey in this to make this treatment really effective, and we're going to be putting just a little quantity of the honey and then you stir it. Now this is actually going to also make the onion smell, go off really well. So this is actually the first step in which you're going to achieve your aim in doing this, and it smells good. Okay, it doesn't have that too much of an onion smell. Okay, so another way in which you're gonna do it, so you're gonna cut your onion and then you're gonna slice it And then you have to be cutting it in little pieces. Now try to make sure that it is as tiny as possible. Now after you've done this, you might decide to take all, or you might decide to take just 1 spoon of this. So you're gonna scoop out 1 spoon. This is it. And then you're gonna be putting on honey on it. Yeah, so you're gonna chew this anytime you want to get down with your partner. You're gonna chew this, or you can as well just drink this. Anyone you feel convenient, you can just do it, and you're gonna get all of the full benefits. Yeah, so this is actually quite simpler, but this is actually very also effective because it actually grinds it all up before you even take it. So it's gonna work really fast than this, but this is simpler than this. Yeah, so you just choose anyone and then you carry that out. And then the next ingredient you're gonna be using, if you don't want to use onion, you can use this particular one, and this is garlic. Okay, so what you do is that you're gonna be taking your garlic and then you'll be filling it all up. So now we'll have to be cutting it. And then you have to make sure it is as tiny as possible. So what you do is to grab a spoon after you've done this, and then you put the honey over it. And this is it, guys. Okay, so you take this as soon as you want to get down, and this is not only going to give you strength, it's also good for the ladies also, because it helps you, you know, it cleans out your body. And for this present time that we have, garlic is actually very good, so you would be needing this a whole lot. And this is the onion. So this is the 2, yeah, and this is this one. Okay, so you can either make any one and then you use it. So that's the 3. Yep. So that's it, guys, my beautiful ladies and gentlemen. You know, go use this, try this, and I'm sure it's gonna help you. The most interesting part of it is that it is actually very natural. It does not have no side effects. It is very cheap. It's actually something you've been using, but trying to combine it this way is going to be superb. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please thumbs it up, subscribe, and share, and I'll come your way again. Be safe. Bye guys.